How many things have we got on the team that could possibly benefit from Rev-X?
Every piece of equipment.
We got
Tractor trailers, generators. We got the motorhome, the engines, the drives, the scooters,
differentials,
the
all
Groms,
that.
the golf carts, everything.
Wow.
Everything
That's a
on the
lot
team.
of expensive equipment. I mean, you
Yeah.
just rattled off a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm seeing dollar figures right now.
Yep.
And every time something like that breaks, I know there's one guy that's really not happy about that bill.
Legitimately, there's $5 million worth of stuff in the pits for just our team.
Wow.
And I mean, down to everything, down to the trailers. I mean, down to everything, and everything gets gone through after each race.
Well, we're happy to support you guys. Any type of products that you guys need,
We're happy to have you, Dan.
well, we're here. We're glad to be a sponsor. And I'll tell you what, as long as we can keep that going, keep you guys from breaking, keep you guys running reliably, we're in.
Yes, sir.
You know, that's what
Hey, we are too.
Rev-X is all about.
We got a lot of championships under the Rev-X
How
belt.
many championships?